All right, so we're going to talk about permutations first. Yep, you have to point it up. There you go. We're going to talk about a permutation first. This is the formula for a permutation. If you do not remember it, this is the time to write it down. You could have it all in one place, and some problems to look over as well. So when you ask yourself, is the problem a permutation? You want to ask yourself these questions. If any of these are a yes, it is a permutation, and you'll use the permutation formula. First one, does the order matter? If the order does matter, it is a permutation. Where does the order matter?
The permutation.
Yes, but like in what problem? Give me an example in which the order would matter.
If you name places like first.
The batting order.
If you name first, second, and third, okay.
A
batting order, that's good. Where else?
Who wins the car?
Like if the first place won a car and then the second person won a boat. That's okay. Whatever. If there was a difference, a lawnmower. If there was a difference between prizes, that's when the order would matter. Does it say the word arrange? If it says the word arrange, that is a permutation. One of these problems in the room, the last word is arrange, and everyone keeps doing a combination, and then I say, what's the last word? And then these are your notes, so you do you. This is good stuff to know for your quiz tomorrow. I'm telling you right now, 6 questions on your quiz is this a permutation or is this a combination? 6 out of 15 questions. It might even be 7 out of 15, if I remember correctly.
That's almost half.
It's almost half. And then, is there a difference in the first pick versus the last pick? If there is, that is a permutation. Okay, so if first pick is the president and the last pick is the treasurer, that would be a permutation. Because the order would matter. What does the N stand for? The total?
Total number.
The total number of whatever. R stands for, like the number of places, like first, second, or third. It could also be like the number of, like positions, president, vice president, yada, yada, yada. Or objects. Things like that. So R could represent any of those. R will always be smaller, if not the same number as N. It will never be bigger. So R is never bigger. So these are the questions you want to ask yourself. Is this a permutation? The questions you ask for, is this a combination? If I hit next, it is going to go away. Just so you know. Is the problem a combination? You'd use that second formula that's at the bottom. So you would ask yourself, does the order not matter? So if it doesn't matter, that is a combination. Another really big idea, if it says the word group or if you're making groups, that would be a combination. And the last, there is no difference between being picked first and being picked last. So in that notation, NCR, what does N stand for? Total number. And then R stands for? Well, it's a number in a group. Since there won't be first, second, and third place, there won't be a president, vice president, yada, yada, yada. It'll just have a number in a group. Okay, so you'll be making groups in a combination.